Hi, my name is Dr. Monalisha Tyagi,
And I'm Megha.
and we have come from Delhi International School, Sector 23. So today we have tasted Hetafu candy, and I found it very tasty. The contents are safe for the children. It is easily breakable and non-sticky.
And natural. The ingredients are natural, right? And I really like the taste. It was delicious, and I think we should recommend this to the kids also. It has its own health benefits, which includes cognitive development and several other health, benefits and factors are also there. So it's quite a good deal, and it can be a replacement for the natural toffees that these kids, have. We really are impressed with the product that they have.
Right. It is a
shared
good
with us.
replacement for junk food that we are giving actually to our children.
Ma'am, since you guys are from the education domain and you interact with kids almost every day, like half of your life has been with the kids. So I would like to know, based on a child psychology, this kind of product that we are coming up with, based on a child psychology or number of kids you have interacted with, let's say there are 40 to 50 kids in a class, do you think this will bring an improvement in, forget about the first benches, they are always there, they know
Right.
what to do and how to excel, right? Speaking about the average students or the ones who are struggling with their memory, learning, focus, do you think this is going to be a revolutionary thing for those kids? Do you think this is going to bring an impact in their lives?
It
See-
indeed will bring the impact because as you have also shared so many information with us. It involves cognitive development. I'll focus on this word also.
Right. And clinically proven.
Yeah.
It has
Clinically
55
proven.
plus clinical
50
trials.
Yes. So I think it will be a superb replacement, and it will surely help the kids.
Yes.
And will act as a revolutionary product for them.
Right. So talking about this, because we have children in our classrooms who have learning disorders, who are facing ADHD syndromes, they are hyperactive, and because this is clinically proven, so this is a product which actually going to help children in working towards in a right direction. And because you have given some timeline also that the
4
children
months.
4 months,
Yes.
so parents are going to see results in 4 months, and this is also recommended by the doctors.
See, it will help in digestion, as you have said, and it will improve their eating habits, I will also say, and all the gut-related problems, it will act as a boon to them also.
Right. So see, I'll talk about the mother also here as well.
From
see
a mother's perspective,
Right,
yes.
right. Because most of the women's are working, and they often prefer giving junk or frozen food to the children, जिसकी वजह से काफी उनकी
Brain fog होता है.
yes deficiency भी आती है. So I think in that case, this is going to replace the junk and help the children to gain those vitamins and nutrients from this candy only. However, being a mother, I don't prefer giving junk to my children, but at times we need to give that because we all are working, and we also need to work towards our health and towards children's health. And why only children? Let's also, Megha ma'am, make this, in a habit to eat this.
Eat as
on a-
adults,
Yeah.
definitely.
Right.
This can be eaten by anyone for 4+ years.
It is very cost effective. Right. See, the first thing is when I sit with my child, or in my classroom, I observe the attention span. The attention span is not there. They listen to the teacher or mother 5 to 10 minutes. उसके बाद उनका attention इधर-उधर हो जाता है.
Yes.
उसके बाद फिर they are not habit of sitting at one place. सबके अंदर hyperactive disorder आ गए, उनको उठने की वो हो गई है. And this is all related to our food. I believe that this is all related because we have some deficiency in our body.
Correct.
जिसकी वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम होती है और ये होंगी आगे.
Correct.
अब क्योंकि हमारे पास हेटाफू है और जो कि बहुत ही इजीली अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है, तो आई थिंक अगर और क्लिनिकली प्रूवन है जिससे गट भी अच्छा हो रहा है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमको इस प्रोडक्ट की तरफ जाना चाहिए और इसको यूज़ करना चाहिए. बिकॉज मैं दोबारा से इसको स्पेसिफाई करूँगी क्योंकि ये डॉक्टर रिकमेंडेड है.
And the transition will be smooth because it's more like a toffee or a chocolate. So
Yeah,
we don't
kids-
have to tell the kids that it's a medicine or any kind of medication that it's showing. It's proper toffee.
So last
And
question,
taste,
final question. And the color that you see, it's natural. It comes from
Beetroot,
beetroot
extract.
extract.
And we can taste cocoa also,
Cocoa butter.
Right. And it's sugar free.
100% sugar free.
100%
Diabetics can have it. Final question. Do you give this a green thumbs up?
Yes.
The head up
Yes,
a thumbs
yes,
up?
yes. Green
Do
thumbs.
you
Surely.
think it's a revolutionary product at a
Yes, it is.
Yes.
We already, stated this. It is a revolutionary product, and we are ready to, convince the parents to have this.